first video that we're doing is angle. I know from all my past videos I was doing it from the other angle. It's over there. But since this thing kind of reversed, the software I'm using reverses my movements, so I'm actually pointing, so I'm not pointing left like the video says. I'm pointing right. I'm pointing left. I'm pointing right. I'm pointing right. Also, microwave apple! Oh, microwave! Microwave apple! Microwaved! I microwaved this. What am I doing? I'm messing with science. Now this is I couldn't use sauces. Actually, I haven't gone to a doctor's appointment about that. Okay. I had an idea. I don't know if it's a good idea or if it's a bad idea. I'm taking my microwave. And drenching it in Caprisun. First off, this is my first video I'm uploading, so don't think I'm having good ideas yet. That my dad is helping me. No. He's just in his room. No, maybe I should use a little too. I squished it so hard that the straw flew out. I'm going to dunk it in here. I'm going to let it soak, so give it 10 seconds. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay. Now, I have drenched the apple in Caprisun. I'm wrapping it in a napkin so I don't spill the Caprisun everywhere. It's an apple. Like, you can't go wrong with an apple. I'm going to drink a little bit more. It's an apple and Caprisun. Two fruity flavors that are good combined. Make a fruity flavor that's absolutely delicious.